Okay, brothers. In this video, I'll discuss how to compress WIM in a WIM file into a folder. So I'll show you how to do this by a small example. This is my Windows PE, and this is finally this. If this is my WIM, this is my WIM already exists my WIM. So the first step, I have to compress to extract this WIM into a folder. Or I can say by another way, I can say we can mount this WIM into a folder. Also, I can mount this WIM to a folder or extract this WIM to a folder. It's the same using gimage or Dism++, and all of these programs can mount this one. The third one to mount this WIM into a folder is using 7zip file to unmount this by right click and 7zip, so I can extract to the same name, so it will be extracted like this. So this is the first way, the first step to compress this WIM again. Okay, the second step is to using the program Dism++. Now we already extracted this WIM, this big WIM into a folder. Then we'll go to the Dism++. Okay, I will open this Dism++. Inside this program, I'll adjust the compression from here, more settings. Inside this compression OS compression rate, I have to, there is many options here. So this is the best one is 4K expression. 4K means the 33% compression. Okay, then from Dism++, from file, I'll click add path. From here I'll browse for the extracted folder for my WIM. This is my WIM PE, this folder. I'll select this folder, so it will be detected by this Dism++. So I'll click it here. If I click here, it will be detected, so it means I have full control now for this mounted WIM. From file, okay, I'll choose save image as, then don't forget to check this one if not checked. Okay, if unchecked, you have to check this one to keep the bootable property for this WIM, to keep this the boot option for this WIM to be a bootable WIM. Okay, from browse, I'll choose the location. I'll save this WIM another copy. Then from this way, so if I choose the name the same, and I choose the same name of the old WIM or the old WIM. See, so the size before compression, I already add path. Then I'll save image as. From save image as, I can give any name. So the new copy for the mounted WIM will be saved. So finally you will find the WIM becomes from 739 size into it will be converted to 591 megabyte. This is exactly what I did. So to summarize what I did exactly in this video to secure your time and save your time. So this is the way how to compress any WIM by using this Dism++ and using also 7z. So you can summarize what I did exactly. I go to my original WIM. So right click by 7zip. I already extracted to folder. Okay, this is the same as imagex also can do this one, and I think you are familiar with the gimage, and you mounted before for gimage about the tab mount. So I choose browse for the WIM folder, the other browse for WIM. So from here I'll browse for the WIM file. Okay, so the above one, I'll browse for the folder. I'll mount this WIM. So this is the second way. The third way, first one to by gimage. The second one to use Dism++, the same program we are using now. Dism++ also could be used as to mount this WIM to a folder from here. See, mount image. Also, he will ask you where is this image and where is the folder you wanna mount this WIM into a folder. Where is this folder? Where is the WIM? And where is the folder you want to extract this WIM to? So you will press OK when you choose. So the third way is the easiest one, to use 7zip to mount this WIM into this file. So this is the third way. Finally, you will find under this video, you will find my Windows PE. So this is a powerful tool to achieve this goal, to compress your WIM as possible, to be small as possible. Okay, it will enable you to add and update. Like already I add update for this fix VLC player, I added to my Windows PE. So if I go to this WIM, the fix the VLC player, it means to open any video. So my videos already here inside movies. So if you try to open any video, it will give you a message. It means it's not associated, no associated programs. Okay, but I already I created a change inside this one, fixed VLC player. Then if you press this one, so try to open video again, so it will open successfully with you. So you will be able to reach all your videos and movies in your computer using my Windows PE. So this is finally. Thanks very much for watching, and goodbye.